Hello everyone. Welcome back to Speak English with Raksha. I'm Raksha and I'm truly happy that you are listening to this video today. Before we begin, let me tell you what you're going to learn in this video. Today's video is about believing in God's plan. We will talk about life, struggles, waiting, faith, and hope. Along with that, you will naturally improve your English listening skills, learn new words, and understand how listening plays a very important role in speaking English confidently. So please relax, use earphones if possible, and listen till the very end. Before moving ahead, I want to share something very personal. You may take a little time to like this video or subscribe to the channel, and that's completely okay. But the moment someone subscribes to Speak English with Raksha, it motivates me deeply as a creator. That one click tells me, yes, Raksha, continue, we are listening. So if you feel even a small connection with this video, please subscribe and support this journey. Now, let us slowly move into today's conversation. Lohi, let me ask you something honestly. Have you ever felt that your life is not going according to your plan?
Yes, Raksha, many times. I make plans, I work hard, I pray, I hope, but still, things don't happen the way I imagine.
How does that make you feel?
Confused, sometimes disappointed, sometimes tired, and sometimes I start questioning myself.
That feeling is very human. Many people think they are alone in this struggle, but they are not. This is where the idea of believing in God's plan becomes important.
Raksha, can I be honest?
Of course,
Sometimes I wonder if God really has a plan for me, why does life feel so difficult? Why do good things take so much time?
that is a very deep and honest question. And it's okay to ask such questions. Believing in God's plan does not mean we never feel doubt. It means even with doubt, we continue to trust. Let me explain this with a simple example. Have you ever watched a movie where the hero suffers a lot in the beginning?
Yes, almost every meaningful movie.
Exactly. In the first half, nothing makes sense. Pain, failure, rejection, loneliness. But in the second half, everything slowly connects. Every struggle has a reason. Life works in the same way, but the difference is we are living inside the movie, not watching it from outside.
That makes sense, but when we are inside the struggle, it feels very heavy.
Yes, waiting is painful. Seeing others move ahead feels discouraging. But one important thing we must remember is this: never compare your journey with someone else's journey. God's plan for you is unique. Your timing is different. Your lessons are different. Delay does not mean denial. Slow progress does not mean failure. You know, Lohi, at this point I want to share a small story. It's simple, but it carries a powerful message.
Yes, Raksha, please tell me.
There was a young man who believed strongly in God. He prayed every day and worked very hard. After completing his studies, he started applying for jobs. He prepared well, he attended interviews, he waited with hope. But every time the answer was the same: rejection.
That must have been heartbreaking.
Yes, months passed, then years passed. One evening, he sat alone and said, God, I don't understand your plan. I'm trying my best. Why is nothing working for me? He felt tired. He felt invisible. He felt forgotten. But still, he did not stop believing. Years later, he finally got a job. Not the one he wanted earlier, but a much better one. This job gave him growth, respect, peace, and balance in life. Later, when he looked back, he realized something.
What did he realize?
He realized that if he had got those earlier jobs, he would have been stuck in stress, insecurity, and dissatisfaction. Those rejections were not punishment, they were protection. God was not saying no, God was saying, wait, you are not ready yet, something better is coming.
That changes the way we look at rejection.
Yes, sometimes delay is not a problem, it is preparation. God sees the whole picture. We see only one chapter.
This story makes me reflect on my own life.
That's the purpose of stories. They help us understand ourselves. Faith does not mean life becomes easy. Faith means even when life is hard, we don't give up. Patience is not weakness. Patience is strength. Every waiting period is shaping you into a stronger person. You know, Lohi, learning English is very similar to this process.
How, Raksha?
English learners feel frustrated. They listen to English every day, but they don't speak fluently yet. They think, I'm listening, but nothing is changing. But listening works silently, just like faith. Listening trains your brain, it improves pronunciation, it builds sentence patterns. Results come slowly, but they come. That's why on Speak English with Raksha, we upload videos every day. Daily listening builds confidence naturally. This channel is not about forcing grammar rules, it's about learning English naturally through listening. If you listen regularly, even without speaking much in the beginning, your mind will slowly start thinking in English. Consistency matters more than speed. If this video made you feel calm, hopeful, or motivated, please subscribe. Your support helps me come back every day and create more meaningful content for you. Now, let's learn 5 new English words from today's video. Trust. Believing something good will happen. Example, I trust God's plan. Patience. The ability to wait calmly. Example, learning English needs patience. Faith. Strong belief without proof. Example, faith gives strength in difficult times. Purpose. The reason behind something. Example, every struggle has a purpose. Clarity. Clear understanding. Example, listening brings clarity in English. Try to remember these words and notice them in future videos. Now, here is a simple question for you. What is one thing in your life that you are learning to trust God with right now? You don't have to write a long answer, just one line is enough. Thank you for listening patiently. Remember, you are not late, you are not weak, and you are not forgotten. This is Raksha with Lohi signing off. See you tomorrow with another story. Until then, keep listening and keep believing.